Here we are, another interesting soap making today. Gagawa ako ng mint, eucalyptus, charcoal soap. This is my liquid oils. We will add our melted hard oils, which is cocoa butter and our palm oil. So haluan lang natin ito hanggang ang ating hard oils and liquid oils ay completely mix. This is my second time that I will make charcoal soap na mint. And yung aking first, that was 1 year ago, napakaganda. Ito, may picture pa ako. And I want to make it again. Okay, so we will add now our lye solution, ang ating water, ang ating lye solution, and oils are nasa room temperature. I-blend ko lang siya, i-stick blend ko hanggang sa ma-reach ko yung light trace, light to medium trace. So, kailangan pa konti pang mixing. We're almost there. Ang ating essential oil ay sweet peppermint. So, gagamit ako ng 1.6 ounce. So, this will be sweet peppermint and eucalyptus essential oil. Very strong yung smell ng peppermint and eucalyptus. Halo kong mabuti ito. So, we'll mix this well. Gagawa ako ng tatlong color. So, i-divide ko ang aking butter sa tatlong container. Itong isang container, lalagyan ko siya ng mix ng Safe Skin Mica, yellow and green. Hindi ko alam kung magiging result nito, but we'll try. Kung ano ang kulay na kalalabasan. Wow! I'm surprised. First time. So maganda talaga mag-experiment. Maganda talaga mag-experiment ng mga colors. I like this color. Very, very good color. Parang avocado. This other color is evergreen. So, tignan natin kung ano ang result ng evergreen. Oh! Very nice. For this one, gagamit ako ng activated charcoal. And this is activated charcoal. This must be very bright black. Oops. Wow. Super black. I am happy sa consistency ng aking butter. Very liquidy. And the color. Awesome. So, madaling maggawa ng design kapag ang consistency is like this. Hindi siya super thick. This is beautiful. So, medyo kakaiba ngayon ang aking design. Gamit ko ang aking isang bowl. So, ipopour ko isa-isa ang bawat butter. This must be different. I like it. Maganda. Very interesting. Kahit anong paraan ang inyong gagawin sa pagmimix, it's okay. Ayan. Kaya lang medyo parang naparami yung aking charcoal. But it's okay kasi this is charcoal soap. Ayan. So, mag-iwan ako ng konting color para sa aking top later. Okay, get ready to pour in our butter. Ayan. Very looking good. Excited na ako kung ano ang magiging result nito. I want to add a little of this butter here. I think I'm gonna wait a little more. Medyo soft pa siya, so I like it more thicker. I got an idea. Lalagyan ko siya ng pink salt. Lalagyan ko ng rock pink salt. And then kukulayan ko siya ng lemony felony. Lalagyan ko siya ng glitter. Lemony felony. Glitter. And let's see what this can do. For our top decoration, sana kakapit siya, but it's not. I think I'm gonna put a little oil. I'll try to put a little oil. Makakakapit siya. There you are. It seems it's working. Wow, this is cute. This is cute. I think I'm gonna add more. There. Wow. Another invention. Still soft. I hope this is ready. Malambot pa. Pero anyway, I'll just go ahead. Let's have another try. Still soft. But anyway, we'll just do this. We put some decorations here. Oh, cool. This is cute. Wow. For a change. It's like a wedding decor. Sana hindi ito mag-drag. Okay, I'm happy with the result. This is cute. Okay, we'll be back after 24 hours for the cutting of our mint eucalyptus charcoal soap.